In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I want to start an English series, Principle of Life. Today's topic, do not leave Salah. Salah is not just a duty, it is connection between you and Allah. When you pray, you speak to the one who understands your pain, your silence, and your tears every time you stand and pray. You are telling your Lord, I need you. Do not let this beautiful connection break. Rabbul Alameen says in the Holy Quran, أتل ما أوحي إليك من الكتاب وأقم الصلاة إن الصلاة تنهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر ولذكر الله أكبر والله يعلم ما تصنعون. Recite what has been revealed to you of the book and establish prayer. I need prayer restraints from shameful and unjust deeds. And the remembrance of Allah is greater. And Allah knows what you do.